is Michael Schneider from Dazzle CRM. Wanted to show you how to easily import companies or contacts into the CRM to be able to communicate with and to manage your client relationships. So here's an example file, and you're going to want to use a CSV file. If you have a traditional Excel file, you can easily convert it to a CSV file by clicking on the Save As button, and right here on the drop down, say it's an Excel workbook. You're just going to scroll down, find CSV, click on that, and save it. Then you will be able to use it as a CSV file to easily upload into the Dazzle CRM imports. So here at the top we have the header, and those are going to be the field names of the CSV file, and that helps especially when we map from the CSV fields to the Dazzle fields. It's not necessary to have this header, but it's definitely more helpful, and you'll see why in a little bit. So we come back under the Extras drop down, we're going to click on Import. In this example, we're importing companies. Here it's just an advisory to let you know that to reduce duplicates, it's important that your import should have the company domain or URL. That way you're not uploading multiple companies of the same one and having the problem of reaching out to the same company that you already did before. So we're ready. We do have the URL in our example file, and we're going to give it a title. That way we're able to come back and check the status and be able to know which one is a reference to be able to undo in case we encounter any problems or forgot to incorporate any data. So we're going to add companies. That's going to bring us here to the field mapping part. And on the left you see our headers from the CSV file, and we're going to map that to a field in the Dazzle CRM. So we're completed. We can click Upload Ready, and right now it'll show as loading, because right now in the back end it's going to be going through that file and matching it with the default and custom fields that you have for the company or contact based on which one you decided to import. So that's going to load in the back end, and then once it's complete it'll send us a message letting us know that it's been finished. So we can go about our normal business. You can go to the dashboard, you can connect with some of your contacts, complete tasks, go to your deals, and wait for that message to notify you that it is now complete. Okay, now we have one unread message. We can view our inbox and see now that the import was complete and that the companies were successfully added. So we can go back to the companies and see that our rows from the CSV file have now been imported successfully into the CRM with their corresponding fields. So that's how you import fields and companies and contacts into Dazzle CRM. And here if we go back, we have 13 records added successfully, and we can always undo this. Say we forgot to add some data or we didn't have the fields properly mapped out. We can come back, we can undo these, confirm it, and then it'll go back, delete those companies, and give us the opportunity to go back to our CSV file, change some of the data, and re-import it. And of course, if you have any questions, you can come to the Extras drop down, go to Users, click on Support, and you can write me any problems, concerns, questions you might have, and I'll answer back to be able to help out.